I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your iPad. Due to ongoing circumstances, Fortnite is not directly downloadable from the Apple App Store. However, you can still enjoy the game on your tablet through cloud streaming technology. The most accessible method involves using Xbox Cloud Gaming, which allows you to stream Fortnite directly to your device via a web browser, completely free of charge. This ensures you can jump into the action without any installation. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Safari on your iPad. Then, type in the official web address for Xbox Cloud Gaming and navigate to their homepage. Once there, you will find an option to add the website to your iPad's home screen. This creates a convenient shortcut, making it feel just like a native application. It's a simple process that takes less than 1 minute to complete, setting you up for seamless gameplay. Next, you will need to log into your Microsoft account within the Xbox Cloud Gaming interface. If you do not have one, it is free and easy to create. After logging in, you will be prompted to link your existing Epic Games account. This crucial step ensures that all your hard-earned progress, V-Bucks, and cosmetic items are fully synchronized and available to you. This integration means you will not lose any of your valuable in-game assets. With your accounts linked, simply select Fortnite from the extensive game library on Xbox Cloud Gaming and press play. You have two primary control options. Utilize the intuitive on-screen touch controls designed for mobile play, or connect a compatible Bluetooth controller for a more traditional console experience. For the best performance, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with a speed of at least 20 megabits per second, to minimize any latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.